Our main talent needs at the moment are, as has been in the last years, which is engineering, mathematics, physics, and also people with capabilities to understand multiple fields of expertise, combination with management, artificial intelligence. So it's a profile very technical and diverse. Okay, well, 5 10 years from now, the world is going to be very different, I think. Clearly, artificial intelligence is going to be all over, cyber security as well. But I also believe that profiles in relation with physics or materials or management of energy and also exploration of space are going to be critical. In combination, of course, with people with capacity to combine management, marketing expertise, business development with artificial intelligence, with space exploration. So I see that the profiles with a combination of different factors will play a very important role in the future. Yes, there is a gap, but it's normal, right? So when a student goes through a typical process of 4 years or 5 years in a university with no relation with real business, and then it comes out with a series of learnings and skills, but he or she doesn't know how to implement it, right? So I think that the main gap is to really, for the students, when they go out and find a job, to really understand and execute at real value to the companies and to the business, right? And this is where the gap is very clear. No, unfortunately, the universities are not adapting quick enough to the change of the world. But this is normal because change is going very fast, and it's very difficult for universities to. But to some extent, on the positive side, I think that there is a real understanding of the challenge and the diagnostics of the problem, and they are starting to do things really to address this change of speed to some extent. But the challenge is very, very big. I think that we are not going to find the single model of working. There is going to be a combination of different models coexisting. Reality is very diverse and very difficult to understand with only one single model. And for example, at Fractus, we have created 4 years ago what is called a Fractus UPC Deep Tech Hub, which is a hub of collaboration with our company, with the university. And we do different things here. We do an acceleration program. We put challenges to students. We have students at the company working in collaboration with our engineers. So there are multiple things that we do in this hub, which is one particular model. But again, going to your question, I am not able to point to one single solution. It's going to be a diversity of solutions for multiple situations, because the problem is really big. Well, merit is a good thing because it's a thing that combines the efforts of different countries in cooperation, and this is essential. So Europe cannot see as itself isolated country by country. We need to see the problem as a whole. And they are addressing, as I said in the other question, the challenge and the diagnostic of that there is a challenge, there is a problem, and starting to doing things, right? There is a series of masters in merit that are offered to students with some different skills combinations in different areas. And this is a good path, but importantly, this effort needs to continue on a long-term perspective and on a multi-year basis. This is not an effort of 1 or 2 years. This is for the next 20 years, I will say, at least.